Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today I'll build the parts that form the engine compartment and will install the engine into the chassis. In the second part of today's video I'll start installing the electronics, such as the LEDs for the head and tail lights, the motor for the retractable headlights, speaker for engine sounds, and the remote control. general, the quality of the kit is quite impressive, but I'm a little bit disappointed with these super simple wheel bearings. I would have expected some proper ball bearings. Even though the suspension is highly detailed, there's quite a bit of play in the wheel bearings and the steering rack. So, unfortunately, the engine installation was quite a bit difficult. I tried it a few times to install the engine while recording it on camera, but I kept bumping my head against the camera, so kinda frustrated, I decided to put the camera away and just get it done. I'm sorry about that. Honestly, it reminded me of the situation when you try to swap an engine into your real car. Next up, the electronics. The AE86 model comes with a small remote control that can be used to control the functions of the car, such as the lights and the engine sounds. So first I'm gonna install the PCB that controls these features inside the car, as well as the wire harnesses. The next assembly step is the remote control. It features buttons to open the headlights, turn different lights on and off, and make it play funny sounds, engine or horn sounds. During testing, I realized that the pop-up headlights didn't work. I noticed that the manufacturer acknowledged a problem with the electronics and will send replacement parts at a later stage. For now, everything except the retractable headlights work. You can hear the tick-tock sound of the indicators, and all of the lights can be switched on or off. In case I have to replace the headlight motor, I decided to not further assemble the front of the car. While I do have the parts for the radiator and the aircon assembly, I figured that there is a chance that I will have to remove them again in case I need to replace the headlight motor. I therefore decided to wait.